Working. Awry.
So one day at the depot, I stumbled upon a sale for the Milwaukee Packout system. I didn't hesitate for a moment. I pulled out the business card, and now, it's mine. A few months later, I saw a BedSlide while searching for pickup cabs. At that moment, I knew they could be combined into something special. Step 1. Remove all stuffs. This is the perfect time for cleaning and reorganizing. We need to do something about this. Shh, nothing to see here. Don't worry about this. Well, I bought this one too early. Step 2. Enlist the youth. So after introducing these two fine products to one another, I was thinking they should sell mounting brackets like the top of the Packouts. I should send them an email. And then I saw it at Home Depot not long after. Of course they make them. So, while trying to think of the best way of attaching these Packout mounting plates to the BedSlide, I remember seeing these types of hood latches while searching for car parts. They're a quick latch ripoff. I found them on Amazon. It was about $17 for a pack of 4. Didn't even measure it. Sometimes, your eye just works. The only issue here was I had no way of using the threaded washers to mount the buttons to the plate, other than drilling them out or inlaying the washers into the plastic, so I just ended up gluing them to the plate. They really just have to stay in place. The bolt on the bottom holds everything together. Yeah. I love this drill. Do yourself a favor and get some riv nuts and a gun. Clean up your game. Come on. What is that fuzz? Well, here it goes. Let's seize the carp. I'm really happy with that. This is really going to work. Yeah, Bo. Step 3, make it work. No, but really, get a riv nut gun. Get one. Go. Now. Start your cleanup. Save your leftovers. More mounting opportunities in the future. Not yet. Step 4. Finish. Enjoy.